Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you some new cool features of ChatGPT. They keep coming out like every day almost, I feel, or secretly they come out. So yesterday I was playing around with creating some logos and brands through ChatGPT, and I realized there's something new that is super cool, and this is actually amazing that this can do this now. So check this out. Hey chat, can you please create me an image of a logo? This is a bird watching logo. Can you use simple, minimalistic, kind of like Aztec inspired, just black and white, maybe one color, and please export in PNG with transparent background. All right, and just like that, you have the PNG file, which is amazing because before you would only get with the white background, or you could ask for a black background, but now it creates it in PNG, so you don't have to download and put it into Canva and to remove the background anymore. It just removes a step. So check this out, when you hover over it, it's pure transparent. So for logo generation and things like that, this is game changing. This is amazing. And this just came out, I feel like yesterday, because maybe it came out before that, but I was just messing around, like I said. Now the next thing for content creators, and this is really cool because everyone's all about prompts. How do you make that image? What prompt did you use? Well, check this out. So when you go over to the side here and you go over to Sora, now have an explore tab. Now this is kind of turning into like Instagram, where people can just browse it. But the cool thing about it is you can click on any image you like. It's going to show you the prompt they used for the image. You can actually even remix the image. So you could take that prompt and change it yourself. So for example, we can take one of these and I can say, you know, make all these guys in red yellow, and it would do that, right? And the other cool thing is you can then animate these images. So check this out. So let's find an image that we want to animate. Now, all right, I got something funny here. So we'll take this and now we're going to hit remix. Now what you can do is you can highlight here. We're going to remove the deer, just highlight what you want. So in here, yeah, you can change the size, aspect ratio, and we're just going to remix this here. We'll replace the deer with scruffy street dog. So let's try this out. And then to get to where your media is, you just go back and you go down to My Media, and this is where you will have all your content that you're creating. Like that, we got two variations, pretty funny. I'm gonna click on it now, and pretty cool how it removed the deer, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to animate this. So we click on it, and let's create video. Video, 5 seconds, and create. Okay, interesting. It doesn't do anything for the first little bit here, and then all of a sudden it animates it, and they added another dog. Okay. And now I'm going to try to remix a video. So if you want, you could, like I said, you can explore all images and videos, or you can explore images or videos. So we're under the video tab, and this cat is pretty cool. So what we're going to do is click on the cat. We're going to remix it here. So I'm just going to type in, can you replace the cat with a scruffy street dog? And a black, gray, long scruff fur, dark around the eyes, similar to a border collie. So we're going to press remix there. All right, and just like that, it looks like my videos are ready. So let's take a look, and this is pretty cool because it was just a simple prompt. We remixed the video, we didn't have to do much, and check this out. This is great for marketing and content creation because it's way quicker. You can see other people's ideas and build off them, and that's kind of what art is a lot of the time. It's just inspiration, getting inspired by others and building off of it. But check this out. All right, and just like that, I hope you guys enjoyed these because this is new, it's cool, it's continually changing, and I will have more tips and tricks for ChatGPT soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.